National Institute of Design has released the answer key of NID DAT 2019 prelims on February 13. Students can verify their responses in the exam from the answer key of NID DAT and calculate their probable score. They must note that answer key along with the question paper will be available till February 20th till 4 p.m. Careers 360 brings to you all the steps in this video to download NID DAT answer key so that candidates do not face any hassle. Steps to download NID DAT answer key. Click on the official link of NID. Now log in to view the NID DAT 2019 answer key. Enter email address, date of birth and verification code. Click on the submit button. Candidates will get to see NID DAT question paper and answer key tab. To download the question paper, click on that particular tab. Now click on the answer key tab and then download it. Students can cross-check their responses from the answer key of NID DAT 2019 and estimate their score. Take printout of both the answer key and question paper of NID DAT 2019 for future reference.